Anand, please unmute yourself. You can ask your question.
I'm asking about my daughter,
Mhm.
whether she will do love marriage or arranged marriage.
How old is she, sir?
She's 24 years.
What's her name?
Tanushri Vishnani.
Say it again.
Tanushri Vishnani.
You want to know what type of a marriage. So give me a horary number, sir, between 1 and 249. Random number, not your favorite number.
65.
You are asking for your daughter. So we rotate it to the 11th bhava. All right. Marriage is seen from the 7th house. Starts in Scorpio at 20342. Sub-lord is Rahu conjunct with Jupiter in the star of Ketu. Ketu is deposited in the 6th bhava in the star of Rahu. Mars itself is in the 3rd bhava. Fifth house of Lord Moon in the star of Saturn in 10th bhava. 100% it will not be a love marriage, sir.
It will not be.
It will not be a love marriage.
It will be arranged marriage.
Mostly. Most likely it will be an arranged marriage, perhaps with a person not from India, or an Indian not in India.
Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot. Where it should be? Can you tell me? So I can see to it.
You have to advertise. Through advertisement, she will be able to get it. But currently, the times are not good for her. Okay. Come back and check with me once. Moon, Saturn. Come back and check with me in roughly June, finish July. June 15th plus 3 July. Anywhere from July 18th to July 30, August 3rd.
Okay.
Check back with me. We will check at that point of time, sir.
Okay.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir.